Imagine. One morning the ground beneath America starts shaking. Within hours, an explosion so massive occurs that it darkens the skies across the entire world. Crops fail, cities collapse, and millions face starvation. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this nightmare is hiding in plain sight, right under Yellowstone National Park. Yes, Yellowstone is not just about geysers and hot springs. Beneath its surface lies one of the most dangerous ticking time bombs of our planet, a supervolcano. Scientists say if it erupts, it could change life on Earth forever. But what makes Yellowstone so dangerous? Could it really erupt anytime soon? And if it does, what will be the fate of humanity? Stay with me till the end, because what I'm going to tell you will shock you. Normally, when we think of volcanoes, we imagine a mountain spewing lava. But a supervolcano is something entirely different. It's a giant underground magma chamber capable of producing eruptions 1,000 times stronger than normal volcanoes. Yellowstone's magma chamber is so huge that it could fill the Grand Canyon 11 times over. And here's the scary part. It has erupted 3 times in the past. 2.1 million years ago, 1.3 million years ago, and 640,000 years ago. If you notice the gap between eruptions, the last one happened 640,000 years ago, meaning technically, we are already overdue. If Yellowstone erupts again, scientists estimate the explosion would eject 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash into the sky. Entire North America could be covered in several feet of ash. Air travel worldwide would collapse instantly. Farmlands would be destroyed, leading to a global food crisis. And the most terrifying part? The eruption would trigger a volcanic winter. Just imagine, sunlight blocked for years, global temperatures dropping by 10 degrees Celsius, and billions struggling to survive. Some even compare it to a nuclear apocalypse, except this one is natural. Now you might be wondering, should we panic? Scientists at the U.S. Geological Survey say, no, not yet. In fact, Yellowstone is closely monitored with advanced seismographs, GPS trackers, and satellites. They've detected earthquakes and ground swelling, but nothing that suggests an immediate eruption. But here's the twist. Nature doesn't always follow human predictions. Even with all our technology, an eruption could still take us by surprise. After all, the last major eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980 was predicted wrong by experts. If Yellowstone erupts in our lifetime, the US wouldn't be the only victim. Europe, Asia, Africa, all would feel the impact. Global trade would stop, millions would migrate, sparking political chaos, economies would collapse overnight. Some scientists even believe such an event could wipe out modern civilization as we know it. So, is Yellowstone America's biggest natural threat? Absolutely. Will it erupt in our lifetime? Probably not. But the fact that it can is enough to remind us of how fragile human civilization really is. Because at the end of the day, no matter how advanced we become, nature always has the final word. What do you think? Should governments invest more in disaster preparedness for such rare but deadly events? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Because the mysteries of history and future threats are something you don't want to miss.